In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in Google Docs. Bold text is one of the simplest ways to make your writing clearer and more impactful. Whether you're highlighting a heading, emphasizing a key term, or drawing attention to a deadline or action item, bolding helps readers quickly spot what matters. First, select the text in Google Docs. This simply means telling Google Docs which words you want to affect. Click at the start of the word or phrase, hold down your mouse or trackpad, and drag across the text until it's highlighted. If you prefer, you can double-click a single word to select it quickly, or triple-click to grab an entire paragraph. Keyboard users can place the cursor where the selection should start, hold Shift, and tap the arrow keys to grow the selection one character or word at a time. If you overshoot, just adjust by moving the cursor and trying again. Take a second to confirm you've highlighted exactly what you want bolded, especially if you're working with headings or mixed formatting. Once your text is selected, click the bold icon, the capital B, in the toolbar, or press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+B. On a Mac, use Command+B. The change happens instantly, and you'll see the selected text become thicker and darker. If you click the bold button again or repeat the shortcut, it toggles off, returning the text to its regular weight. Think of it as a simple on or off switch. If nothing happens, make sure the document is active by clicking inside it and that the text is still selected before pressing the shortcut. A quick tip on style: use bold strategically. It works best when it guides the reader's eye, like for section titles, important dates, or keywords, not for long blocks of text. If you're bolding headings, keep them consistent throughout the document to create a clean, professional look. You can also bold just a part of a sentence to emphasize a crucial number, name, or phrase without overwhelming the reader. As you work, zoom in a bit if you want to double check that your bold stands out the way you expect, especially on smaller screens. And remember, if you change your mind, simply select the text again and toggle bold off with the same button or shortcut. That's it. Select your text, then click bold or use Ctrl+B, and you're done. With this quick technique, your Google Docs will be clearer, more scannable, and easier to read.